In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take attendance in Microsoft Teams. This is an essential skill for teachers, team leaders, and anyone hosting meetings who wants to keep track of participants efficiently. Let's dive in and simplify this process. The first step is to head over to the Microsoft Teams website. You'll need to navigate to the section dedicated to video conferencing, meetings, and calling. If you haven't already signed in, this is the time to do so. Click on the Sign In button, which is usually located at the upper right corner of the web page. If it's your first time or you need to refresh your credentials, make sure to have your login details ready. Once you're logged in, you're one step closer to managing your meeting effectively. After successfully signing in, the next step is to initiate your meeting. Look for the video icon, which is generally representative of a camera, and click on it. This action will prepare you to start your virtual meeting. It's important to ensure that your camera and microphone settings are correctly configured so that your communication is seamless. Next, you'll see an option to start meeting. Click on it to officially kick off your session. Whether you're hosting a class, a team meeting, or a work session, this button activates your online meeting environment. At this stage, it's a good idea to remind participants to mute their microphones unless they're speaking, to minimize background noise and interruptions. As the meeting progresses, you'll need to keep an eye on the participants. This is where taking attendance comes in handy. You'll find an icon labeled People somewhere in your Teams interface. Click on this icon to see the list of attendees. This tab displays the names of all individuals who have joined your meeting, and from here you can proceed with noting down who is present. Documenting attendance is straightforward. Microsoft Teams provides a clear view of all participants in your meeting, making it easy to record their presence. You can do this manually by writing down the names, or if you prefer using digital tools, there are various options and plugins that can automate this process for you. Being organized and maintaining a record of attendance is critical, especially if you need to ensure accountability or if you're tracking participation for projects or educational purposes. This setup within Microsoft Teams allows for smooth facilitation of your meetings and ensures that you have a clear record of who attended. So there you have it, an easy way to take attendance within Microsoft Teams. This skill not only enhances your management capabilities, but also improves the overall efficiency of your meetings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes your virtual meetings more effective and organized.